Venmo, Cash App. These companies are known for transforming how we receive and send money today. But over 2 decades ago, a small company in Kenya already figured out how to help people move money at scale and at speed. When the world thinks of Africa and technology, it sees consumption, not creation, exporting raw ideas instead of finished products. This year at Moonshot, the builders and innovators are coming together to transform Africa's challenges into solutions that can be exported to the world. With the support of policymakers and investors from across the continent and beyond, we're shaping a future where African ingenuity leads global innovation. And we'll do all of this while having a good time. If you're not in Lagos yet, book your flight now. But if you're already here, cancel all your other plans. The only place to be on the 9th and 10th of October is Moonshot by TechCabal.